Hi students, once again I welcome you all to my channel Abrar sir classes. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರಿನ heating effect and bulb topic ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣಪ್ಪ. This is part 2. I will teach you how to solve problems in just 45 seconds. Okay. This is the first problem of part 2. It is saying in the circuit shown below, the power developed in the 6 ohm resistor. How much power developed is 6 watts. Okay. Right. Okay. The power in watts developed in the 4 ohm resistor. How much? Okay. How many wattage? Okay. They are asking how much of wattage of power will be dissipated in 4 ohm resistor. We know that okay both are in parallel. ಇದನ್ನು ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ. Okay, if this is V volts, okay, this is also V volts, this is also V volts, right? Okay, we know that P is equal to what? P is equal to V square by R. Alvenappa, P is equal to V square by R. Therefore, I can write P1 by P2 is equal to what? R2 by R1, right? How much is R1 here? R1 is just to 6 ohm. R2 is how much? 4 ohm. And how much they have given this one? P1 they have given. P1 is this much. You have to calculate what? P2 you have to calculate. You have to calculate what? P2. Okay, so easy it is. Why? Because here V is same. P1 by P2 is equal to R2 by R1. You know P1 extra 6 divided by you do not know P2 is equal to R2 and the rest to 4 by 6. 4 by 6. Okay, so 34 P2 is equal to 36. P2 is equal to how much we are going to get? P2 is equal to 36 by 4 is equal to 9 watts is the answer. Okay, P2 is equal to 9 watts. Hope you understood. Remember this, P is equal to V square by R. Since these two resistances are connected in parallel, voltage will remain same. Idu R1 6 ohm, P1 they have given 6 watts, R2 is given 4 ohm. How much P2 you have to calculate? Okay, how much watts? Okay, you have to calculate. Therefore, if I write P1 by P2 is equal to, I can write R2 by R1, reciprocal. Okay, so P1 is 6 divided by P2 we do not know is equal to R2 is to 4 divided by 6. So 36, 4 P2 is equal to 36, 9 4s are 36. Okay, 9 watt is the right answer. Next problem nodana. If power dissipated in 9 ohm resistor in the circuit shown is 36 watts. Okay, the potential difference across the 2 ohm resistor. Okay, they are asking the potential difference. Okay, how much is the potential difference? Let us say V dash is equal to question mark. What they have given? 9 ohm resistor, 36 watts. 36 watts of power is dissipated here. Understood? So I know that P is equal to what? I square into R. They have given power here. I can write 36 is equal to, let me call this as I1 current flowing here. Okay, let me call this as what? I2, right? So here how much current will flow? I1 plus I2. Because once if I know this current I can easily calculate V dash here. Okay, I1 how I can calculate P is equal to I square into R. Really, I know the wattage. I know the wattage here. Okay, 36 watts. Okay, 36 is equal to I1 square. I do not know, but I know what? Resistance, that is 9. How much I1 square is equal to? I1 square is equal to 4. I1 is equal to 2 amperes. 2 amperes of current. Okay, is flowing. And now what is the voltage here? Okay, same voltage will be there here. So I can write this as what? 9 I1 is equal to, okay, what is the voltage here? 9 I1 is equal to 6 I2. From here I can calculate what? I2. 9 into how much is I1? 2, that is equal to 6 into, I do not know, I2. I2 will be equal to what? 18 by 6, that is equal to how much? I2 is equal to I2 is equal to 3 amperes. I2 is equal to 3 amperes, right? Okay. And now how much is I? I is equal to I1 plus I2. That is the current given by this battery. I is equal to I1 plus I2. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? I is equal to I1 is 2, I3 is 3. That is equal to I is equal to 5 amperes. 5 amperes of current. Now what is the voltage here? V dash is equal to I into what? I into this resistance. I into 2. V dash is equal to I know 5 into 2 is equal to how many volts? That is equal to 10 volts. Hope you understood this. Very easy. Very easy. Now we'll go to the next problem. In the two cities are 150 km apart. Electrical power is sent from one city to another city through copper wires. The fall of potential per kilometer is how much? V is given 8 volts. Okay, and the average resistance per kilometer is 0.5 ohm they have given. Right, average resistance per kilometer, how much they have given? 0.5 ohm they have given. 0.5. Okay, we know that V is equal to I into R. From here I can calculate I is equal to V by R. Right, how much is V? V is 8 divided by 0.5. 0.5 raised to 8 divided by 1 by 2, that is equal to I is equal to 16 amperes. I is equal to 16 amperes. Okay, two cities are 150 km apart. Okay, here they are given fall of potential per kilometer is 8 volts, that I have written, and the average resistance per kilometer is how much? 0.5 ohm ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So V is equal to I into R. I you calculate, that is the current. Now the power loss in the circuit. What is the power loss formula? Power loss is given by I square into R. Okay, I square into R. How much is I? I is 16 the whole square into R andre ಎಷ್ಟು? How much? R is nothing but what? 0.5 into how much? How many kilometers apart that is? That is 150 kilometer apart. 150 kilometer apart. Andre 256 into 75 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ okay ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? that is approximately equal to 1 2 3 4 5. okay, 1 2 3 4 5. okay, that is equal to 19.2 kilowatts. Kilowatts of power will be what? Dissipated. I mean power loss in the wire is given by P is equal to I square into R. R andre this, why we are multiplying this we are multiplying, okay, because there is a distance of 150 kilometer. okay, 150 kilometer. This is resistance, okay, per kilometer. This is resistance per kilometer. Understood? This is resistance per kilometer. Per kilometer. Understood? Now if you multiply this one, you are going to get 19.2 kilowatts of power is loss. The power loss in the wire is given by I square into R. I we got here, okay, that is 16 amperes of current. Now the power loss is given by I square into R. Hope you understood. This is a very interesting video on 3 problems of this topic. Understood? Now if you like this video, kindly share with your friends, subscribe for my channel, like it, and ask doubts in the comment box. Thank you one and all.